Hey gang, how you going? SkyPilot here. Another quick product unboxing spectacular here today. If you have yourself a Taranis QX7, T145SG, JR, Frsky, the XD9 plus transmitter, etc, many more, and you go out in the field a lot and you think, what are these buttons here? I'm going to knock them off while I'm transporting it, or something's going to happen. It's going to get dirty, it's going to get damaged, the screen's going to get scratched. So I thought to myself, what can I do? And I'm hoping this is going to be the answer. You guessed it, guys. Carry case, courtesy of banggood.com. Link in the description for this beauty. But this is a nice soft shell case which will house just perfectly the remote control unit. Let's unzip her and see what's inside. Strap. Lovely soft material here, which is going to protect your hardware from those little knocks and bangs. We've got a Velcro strap here, which I'm not too sure what it does, but it obviously Velcros something down somewhere, so that will come in handy. Oh, not rocket science, guys. You've got your transmitter and you've got your case. You will need to remove your accessories, should you have any, as obviously they're not going to fit, but that's cool because they're easily removed. And everybody sits in there nice and happy. So it certainly clears all the buttons and the switches and dials. And there you have it. You put a little clip on, and there's one carry case. Doesn't really move around too much, so we'll stand a little bit of jolting around and flipping up and down. And like I said, it's got some really nice soft padding inside there, so it's going to keep the unit pretty tidy. With the strap weighing in at 322 grams. Nice and light. If you want to be a little bit over the top, you may be able to jam in your microfiber. Plenty of room. Squish that down. Should you going on a long journey and it's going to get jolted around a bit, and there you have it. That's great stuff. Certainly makes it much easier when you want to go out in the field and taking all your bits and bobs, so that everything gets looked after, etc, etc. Great stuff. Let us know what you think, guys. Have you got one of these? Do you want one? Do you think you need one? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Drop us a comment, drop us a thumbs up, and we'll see you pretty soon, as I'm going to fly this little baby shortly. You're going to see what sort of range we get from the Eachine TWIG 115. This thing is an absolute cracker. Just a quick video, gang. Hope all is well, and see you next time in the sky. SkyPilot. Thumbs up.